Today we will focus on pronouns. A pronoun is a parts of a speech. They are words that can replace a noun in a sentence. In other words, we can say a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. As for example, Mohan is my friend. He lives very close to my brother's office. He works for the educational department. In these sentences, he is used here as pronoun. Types of pronouns. Number 1, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are words that replace a noun that act as the subject or the object in a sentence. Rahul is an engineer. He works for Hindustan Petroleum. Rita is Rahul's wife. She also works in the same company. He met her when they were in college. In these sentences, he, she, they, her are used as personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are words that refer to possession. Pronouns such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers are used as possessive pronoun. Now next is demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronouns are used that identify nouns in a sentence. For example, this, that, these, those. Next one is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun such as who, whom, whose, which, and what are words that are used for asking question. Now, next is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns refer to persons, things in general rather than to anything else or anything specific. Everybody knew about the holiday except me. I don't know anybody in my neighborhood. In these sentences, everybody and anybody are called indefinite pronoun. Now, next is reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Words such as myself, ourself, yourself, himself, herself, and themselves are called reflexive because they are used to refer back to the subject of the sentence. I treated myself to a good meal. Raju hurt himself while coming down the stairs. In these sentences, myself, himself are reflexive pronoun. Now, emphatic pronoun. When the words, myself, itself, yourself are used for the sake of emphasis and not merely to refer back to the subject, they are known as emphatic pronoun. Example, you yourself told me not to include you for the picnic. I myself locked the door. The house itself collapsed all of a sudden. These are the examples of emphatic pronoun. And now, distributive pronoun, such as either, each, neither, are used to refer to persons, object one at a time. Each student must wear proper uniform. Either of you can come with me. Neither of the boys came to the class. They are the examples of distributive pronouns.